I am a non-resident but want a firearms license in Canada. Non-residents can apply for a Possession and Acquisition License, or PAL. To do so, you'll need to provide a letter from your local police service with an NCIC check. Applicants must also be 18 years or older. If you're visiting Canada with a firearm, complete a non-resident Firearms Declaration form before arriving. This form must be signed by a Canada Border Services Agency (CBSA) officer upon entry and serves as a temporary license valid for 60 days. It allows you to bring your listed firearms into Canada and purchase ammunition. For frequent or long-term visits, applying for a PAL is encouraged. With a PAL, you won't need a non-resident declaration form for subsequent entries. You can also borrow firearms in Canada under certain conditions, such as direct supervision by a licensed adult or with a temporary firearms borrowing license. Ready to take the next step? Visit BC Firearms Academy for free online PAL and RPAL study materials, as well as in-person CFSC and CRFSC courses and core challenges. Start your PAL journey today with BC Firearms Academy.